Yo, what's going on, guys? It's your boy KB and welcome back to another video. As you guys just saw, the EVO is getting on a dyno for the third time, but hey, look, third time's charm, right? You guys saw that I had to get a new turbo, unfortunately, so we're back up here getting another tune, but you know, better safe than sorry. I don't think the EVO is going to be making as much power as it was before, but it'll be making some decent power. So let's check it out. This is actually my first dyno I've seen since I had my 05 WRX. Yeah, it's been a while since I actually was able to catch a dyno. I wasn't able to catch the last two, so there's everything I need to see right here. So far, so good. We'll see what happens. Alright, here's the first round. So right now, hit about 391 and 311 torque. Obviously, we're going to get it up, but first hit so far so good. So let's see what the second hit is looking like. Alright, 401, made it past 390, that was at 77, and we got max torque 293, hopefully he could bring that up, but we'll see. So far so good, man, I ain't gonna lie, it's really nice seeing my car on a dyno. Actually getting real numbers and not fake numbers. He hit another round. We're starting to creep up now. We got back up to the 300 for the torque and 412 horsepower. So we're creeping back up. We're creeping back up to make some more power. See what happens. All right, we got 438, 331. That's with the E now. So it's looking good. Alright, he just got done tuning the car. This is the end result. 453 horsepower. Actually, it's probably 10 more horsepower more once I changed to full E70, because the way he explained it to me, I came up here with too much of 93, so he had to sit there and drain it. He had to let the car sit for like 20-30 minutes. So after that, you know, obviously whatever E85 I brought here, he used all of it just now, and obviously it's going to be blended. So pretty much from this standpoint, I'd be 463 and probably about maybe the same 350 torque or 360 torque. All right, so now that that's done, we're gonna go take the car for a ride. He's gonna take the car off the dyno. We're gonna take a test ride, so I'm gonna ride with him and see how this car is gonna run. All right, let's hop in. Let's take a test ride with the tuner.
Brake fluid's really low. That's why your brake light's on.
On my brake fluid's low?
Some in there, yeah.
Okay.
And then this has been on for a while. Probably your pads are low. That's probably why. But
Okay.
I'll throw a little bit of fluid in there just to get the light off for now. But
Okay.
it means your pads are probably low. Yeah, I can see the 85 still mixing because it's sucking fuel from the other side. See how the checker's like just flashing around.
So you said still E85 in there?
Yeah, by the time we're probably done driving it, it was C65 when I left the dyno. I bet it's gonna go down to like E45 or something. So I'll be able to get on it once or twice on this way until straight away.
RPMs was that?
8,000.
So it could go up to 8 grand?
Hey, I got your limiter at like 85.
Okay.
Don't really want you to bring it there, but it's up there.
I wouldn't bring it to 85.
I always try to bring the limiter a little higher than what you're gonna ship that, so you don't hit it all the time. But it is set to 85, but I brought it to 8,000, so it makes power all the way to 8. Obviously, the more times you bring it to 8,000, you're taking life away from the engine, so try to not do as much.
Right.
Don't make it live there all the time, you know?
Nah.
Don't get a habit to bring it in there every single time, especially on a stock engine.
Usually I bring it up to like 6, close to 7. That's
the car
where
like makes this peak power at 7 to 8,000, so that's where it feels the fastest. It makes torque anywhere from like 45 all the way to 75. It's flat on the torque.
Okay.
Horsepower keeps rising up.
Right. Yeah.
Seems to be pretty good. RPM's really nice and steady.
Yeah, once it gets to like 4 grand, it dies out. As far as like, you know, doing pulls.
Just third gear log really quick.
Season, man.
Yeah.
It's the best time.
It's a little too cold.
Yeah, I know.
Just find a place to pull over really quick. Come on, buddy. You can go.
Well, guys, car is completely done. we are good to go. We're about to head back to his house, and that's it. That is it.